In this video, I'm going to talk about how I organize my projects and files and footage, background music and everything, all that. Organize, manage them and come back to them. Now, if you follow all these steps, you are going to have a better project management. You will not lose any files, and this in fact can make you edit even faster. So this file managing system I've developed over the years, and right now I am kind of fully optimized already. So I'm just gonna take you guys to it. If you guys see right here, these are my project files, that all the video and projects that I've done and posted on YouTube. Look closely at the file structure. Right here I have a string of numbers and then the title of the project right here. So the string of numbers is actually a date. You can see 2025 0903, and this is transcoding video using DaVinci Resolve. These files right here specifically is for this project only. So when I click inside, you can see there's a lot more files in here, and right here I got background music, dailies which are footage that I shot, which is my arrows. If you have multiple cameras, you can have extra folders inside dailies. You can name them A cam, B cam, or by the model of the camera. So right here I got dailies, I got exports, and right here I got OBS, which is my screen recordings, and right here I got my thumbnail, which is a folder where I put my thumbnail in here. And these are just one of the example that is inside the folder. And right here, let's take a look at this epilogue explain. So while I was developing the structure of organizing the files, at first I started like this: number, underscore, and then the number of files. And why do I do that? And that is because when I arrange my name, they are pretty much like well organized. Like the first one is gonna be dailies, and then 2 is going to be my screen recordings, and then my sound is background music and sound effects, and materials are footage that I shot on previous projects, and I'm putting right here to reuse the footage that these footage are also copied from the other project. And right in materials I have green screen, Singapore vlog, VFX, and also YouTube downloads. I got plenty of YouTube downloads right here, and I'm putting inside in this material file right here. And exports, and this folder are specifically for versions of your videos. So for example, you have a rough cut, you will typically export it. You need to place it somewhere inside the project files, and then we create an export folder for our export materials. So we are keeping track of what version are being exported and also sent to, maybe you are working with a client, send to the client, and also a self reminder that this is the rough cut, and then the next will be 1 and 2, 3. Right here you can see this is cut number 2. I just named it 002. It cut down a lot of time just for me to type in the whole title of the video. You can go into details and you can see, and sometimes you don't have numbers to verify what version of them. You can see the dates here, the dates right here, and you can see this video right here is exported 3 hours after this one. So this is going to be the version 1, and this is going to be the version 2. Like you can tell that this is the later version, so this is version 2 and this should be version 1. And then in the export folder I also have a subtitle folder right here, because you get subtitled at the same time you export your video. So I just keep them inside one folder, so that way I can keep track of what is being exported from some software. And then right here, this is thumbnail. Like every version of the thumbnails that I do, I will keep them inside this folder right here. So this one is, I think this is version 1, the first version of my YouTube thumbnail, and I think this is the second version, and this is the third version where I add this iPhone cinematic right here. So it is very wise for you to keep track of everything. You don't need to delete them. If they are taking too much space in your drive, you can just copy them into an external drive and then just keep an archive of your project, so you can always go back to all those files. I show you now right there, right behind my laptop, there is an 8TB drive, and it is filled with all the footage that I have ever shot in my life. I have never deleted a single video in my life, and it is all you can say it has been compressed. It has been compressed into a smaller files, and everything are stored inside the hard drive, and in that hard drive is labeled clearly when I shot with what and the date. Whenever I need to go back and look at some video, I can always go back to that drive and I can pick you know, the videos that I shot like almost 14 years ago. Oh yeah, it will still be there. So 8 terabytes of external drive right there. It's an archive drive, so it doesn't run 24 hours. It only runs when I powered it up and, you know, try to want to get something from it, or trying to, you know, retrieve or look at some of the old videos. So I've been using this file system for a very long time, and then right now I'm gonna kind of demonstrate how I do it in person, because I have been using this system for a long time. I've developed a way to quickly just create files on the move. So right now I'm shooting a tutorial right here, which like how to organize my files. So I'm gonna come here and create a new folder. Today is 2025. It is Halloween apparently, 10 October 31st, and let's call this project how to organize your files like a pro. Right, so let's get in right here and let's create a folder for our dailies right here. Our arrow is our dailies, and then I also have a screen recording right here, and I'm gonna create another folder. Let's call it OBS. And also while I'm editing, I'm going to have background music, so I'm going to create another folder. Let's call it background music. Then after background music, we're gonna have to export our video, export our video, and this is where our exported video stays, in this folder. And after I exported my video, I'm gonna upload them into YouTube, and YouTube is gonna need a thumbnail. So right here I'm gonna create a thumbnail right here. Thumbnail. You can of course create more folders for all the things that you need. For example, maybe you need a stock footage, you can also just create a folder for stock footage, or maybe you need a folder for sound effects, green screen, yada yada. Keep yourself organized in the file explorer right here. So when you go inside DaVinci Resolve, it is easier for you to import all those files into DaVinci Resolve. So let me show you right here. So when we go inside DaVinci Resolve right here, I have a template project, and with everything organized inside, I made a video of how to create a template for the DaVinci Resolve, and if you want to check it out, it is in the corner right here, or in the link down in the description below. Make sure you check that out, and then we're gonna right click this, open in read-only mode, and you can see everything is already organized right here. I even have a timeline ready for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna name this how to organize files like a pro. So yeah, so right now I have 4 the files that I need, that I created on my templates. So when I needed them, I just go to my file explorer. So right now I'm just going to JS6 and then copy everything here, just drag and drop them into the files into the bins that I need them to be. A row, and then BGM. I have a BGM right here, to drag them here, and then OBS. I got OBS right here. That's OBS. Just drag them inside. So yeah, that's basically it right here. My videos proxy. It has a proxy file. Its proxy is here. I don't know why the proxy is here. Resolve, drag them in, and then I can also. Okay, the proxy is available there, which is a good thing, but it's also being imported right here for some reason. Version 19 doesn't do that. I don't know why version 20 does that. Maybe because right now people have been complaining about it, that I just want to use proxy files inside DaVinci Resolve, but every time they want to import proxy files in DaVinci Resolve, DaVinci Resolve just won't recognize the proxy files, but now you can. All right, I think that's about it. All right, guys, that is how. Oh my god, almost break my glasses. All right, guys, that is how I manage and organize my file for my project. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe for more video like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.